Hi, this is Lara from Level Up Nerd Apparel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change colors between rounds. For this example, I am starting with a green round, which I'm going to finish, and then I'm going to switch to a blue round. So I need to finish the last stitch of my round in green. Because I'm working in double crochet, I'm going to do a yarn over, insert the hook into the designated stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. So I have 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, so I have 2 loops left on my hook. I'm then going to grab my blue yarn, making sure that I leave a bit of a tail, yarn over in the blue, and pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. And I'm going to pull on the green tail to tighten up a little bit. I'm then going to close off my round by doing a slip stitch, making sure to use my working yarn and not my yarn tail. So I'm going to do a slip stitch and then do a chain 2 to start off my next round. I'm then going to secure my yarn tails. In order to do that, I'm going to do a double crochet into my first stitch, making sure to bring my yarn tails over my hook and crochet over them with my working yarn. If you look on the wrong side, you can see I have covered my tails. Now I'm just going to start over again to show you one more time. So once again from the top, I'm going to do one last double crochet in the green round. So yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop with 1, 2, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, switch over to the blue yarn, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops, tighten up using the green tail, and then close the round with a slip stitch using the blue yarn. And then chain 2 to start off my next round. With my first double crochet, I'm going to make sure to bring over my yarn tails over my hook and crochet over them to secure them in. So to make sure that my tails are nice and secured, I'm going to keep crocheting in the round, making sure to crochet over them for every stitch so that they're nice and locked in. If you're not going to keep using the green yarn for this round, you can just cut it. If you are planning to use it though, just carry it over by crocheting over it in the round. So now I'm going to finish crocheting this round, making sure that I crochet over the tails. So now I have crocheted for a few stitches. As you can see on the wrong side, I have crocheted over the yarn tails. There are still these little bits left. You can trim them or you can just let them be like that if it's going to be on the inside of a project. Regardless, my tails are now secured. So now I'm going to keep going and finish crocheting my round in blue. I'm just going to do the last double crochet of the round in blue, and then I'm going to join in my round with a slip stitch. And there you have it. I now have a smooth transition between the green and the blue, and that is how I change colors between 2 rounds.